Welcome to Part 81 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, making friends. Hi. Nice to meet you. Example. Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm Emma. What's your name? Example. Hi. What's your name? Where are you from? Example. Where are you from originally? What do you do? Example. What do you do for work? What are your hobbies? Example. What are your hobbies in your free time? We have a lot in common. Example. We have a lot in common. I like hiking too. Let's keep in touch. Example. Let's keep in touch after today. It was great talking to you. Example. It was great talking to you today. See you soon. Example. See you soon. Have a great day. Mini conversation. Person A, hi. Nice to meet you. I'm David. Person B, nice to meet you too. I'm Lon. Person A, where are you from? What are your hobbies? Person B, I'm from Vietnam. I enjoy reading and traveling. Person A, that's wonderful. We have a lot in common. Let's keep in touch. Daily tip. Making friends starts with being friendly and showing interest in other people. Ask simple questions, listen carefully, smile, and enjoy the conversation. Speaking challenge. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. Introduce yourself, ask their name, ask where they're from, talk about your hobbies, find something you have in common, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 82. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.